Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the solution of this error when you're installing Windows 10 or any other Windows, and then it gives this error: Windows cannot install required files, and the error code is 0x8007025D. So I'm here with the solution for this. So let's get started. When you get this error, just close everything, and once you're on the main page of Windows installation, press Shift plus F10 and it will open CMD in your screen. Now type disk part, hit enter, and then type list space disk, hit enter, and it will show you online disk of your PC. Now just select the disk which you want to install Windows inside. Just let's suppose we have to install Windows in disk 0, so just type select disk 0 and then type clean, hit enter, and then type convert mbr, hit enter again, and now it will be converted to mbr format. Now just type exit two times. First type exit, hit enter, and then type exit again and hit enter. Once you do this, your disk would be completely clean and it will install Windows without any problem. So try installing Windows again on your drive and it will fix your problem. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.